Today I'm going to show a very simple method for cooking corn on the cob. I don't like heating a whole pan of boiling water in the house on a hot summer day, so instead we do it in the microwave. So here's my cob of corn. I take the husk off and all the fine little corn silks to get a cob of corn like this. And then I either get a piece of paper towel, or my preference is I have a cloth, a thin cotton cloth that I use in the kitchen. And then I'll take the cob of corn and we'll roll it in the cloth, just so the cloth covers the cob of corn well. And then we'll soak that down in the sink under running water. And then kind of squeeze out the extra water. We want it pretty wet, but it doesn't need to be dripping. And then we just put the cob of corn rolled in that wet towel on a plate. And once it's like that, we just put it in the microwave. We normally cook it on high for 2 minutes, and it should be ready. Careful, it is very hot when you take it out of there and unroll the cloth, but it's a very quick, simple way of getting some pretty nice, fresh corn with your meal. Enjoy!